One of the biggest shifts in my crypto journey had nothing to do with finding that magical coin. It came when I stopped making emotional decisions. Because for a long time, for the longest time, I kept doing what a lot of beginners do, buying from excitement, holding from hope, and making decisions from way too much emotion rather than structure. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners in crypto cut through all the hype and learn how to build real wealth in crypto using simple macro strategies and building a conviction based portfolio. In the last few videos, we've been looking at why so many people mistime the market, how to think through buying dips and the mistakes that beginners make. But in this video, I want to make it a little bit more personal because sometimes people hear the words like framework and structure and it still sounds a little abstract. So I want to show you what actually changed when I stopped looking at crypto emotionally and I started thinking more intentionally on how to buy, hold, and take profits. Earlier in my journey with crypto, a lot of my decisions, they were not as grounded as I thought they were. I would get excited by narratives. I would feel the urgency when things were moving. I would second guess myself during pullbacks. And like a lot of people in crypto, I was learning. I was learning through my journey. I was learning the hard way, just like so many other people. I learned the hard way that emotion can also feel like conviction. And that's when you have no structure. That's an important distinction right there because feeling strong about something does not mean you actually have a real plan. And when you don't have a plan, the market starts controlling you, starts controlling your emotions. If the market starts going up, you feel smart. But if the market starts to drop, well, you start to get fear. If something else is pumping, well, you start to feel like you're missing out on that one there. Maybe you made the wrong decision. Why am I in this one when that one over there is pumping? What do? I go over there or something like that. People often do that. That creates a really unstable way to invest. And for a lot of beginners, that's what they're really not understanding, and they really do not see when that's actually happening. When they're in that moment, you don't see it. You don't realize what's actually happening at that given time. Often, beginners would think the market is the problem. But often the deeper issue is their decision process is way too reactive. So what changed was not the perfect timing. It was better structure. You see, the shift for me, it wasn't that I became a better market timer. It was that I started looking at crypto differently. Instead of asking what coin is pumping or what should I do right now, I started asking better questions. What kind of asset is this? Why do I want to hold this asset? What role does this play in my portfolio? Am I buying from conviction or emotion? What would make me hold? What would make me trim or take profits? What would make me wait? That changed everything because when you start thinking like that, your decisions get much more calmer. Not perfect, calmer. You stop needing to react to every move. You stop feeling like every dip is an emergency. You stop feeling like every pump needs your attention. And you start realizing that good crypto decisions, usually come from the process and not the urgent and not the urgency. The new approach gave me much more clarity, patience, and intention. And that is what I think a lot of people are really after. Not just more gains, but more peace in how they operate. When I got more clear on my framework, I got more patient. I could look at the market and think more in terms of the cycle, conviction, and portfolio roles instead of just emotion. I became more selective about what deserved capital. I became less reactive during volatility. And I started thinking much more seriously about profits, taking profits instead of looking for that euphoria, that parabolic blast off and waiting for that. Now, that doesn't mean that I became flawless. It means that I became more intentional. And that is a massive upgrade in crypto because the goal isn't to predict every move perfectly. The goal is to stop making random emotional decisions, the emotional decisions that keep setting you back. That is the real shift. And that honestly is why I care so much about giving the beginners real framework. Because once you start seeing crypto through that lens, everything gets clearer. That's a big part of what I break down in the Crypto Wealth Playbook. It's not about hype or guessing. It's about helping you build a more structured way of thinking about buying, holding, and taking profits. So you're not just reacting to what the market is doing that day, that week. I'll put the link down below. But the biggest piece is this. What actually is that framework? What does a simple buy, hold, take profits structure actually look like when you put it together in a practical way? That is what I'm breaking down in the next video. So see you over there.